Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to change your primary market on Shopify, step by step, updated for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Shopify admin and go to Settings in the bottom left corner. Step 2. From the Settings menu, click on Markets under the Global Settings section. Step 3. Here, you'll see your current primary market listed at the top. This is the main country or region your store is set to serve. Step 4. To change it, click on the Manage button next to the primary market. Step 5. Scroll down and click Edit next to the market name or region. Step 6. Use the drop-down menu to choose a new country or region to set as your primary market. Step 7. Once selected, click Save to apply your changes. Note: changing your primary market can affect your default currency, pricing, and tax settings, so be sure to double-check everything after updating. And that's it. Your primary market is now updated, and Shopify will adjust your storefront accordingly. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching.